Hello everyone, my name is Tinso, also known as 300. Welcome to the channel 300 Travel Tales. കേരളത്തിലെ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. To all my friends outside Kerala, namaste. In today's video, we will discuss about the top 5 exercises that will help a motorcycle rider. Recently, a lot of people have been asking me how could I ride a motorcycle like CBR 250R for long distances like 10,000 kilometers or 40 days or something. Am I not suffering any back pain or any other health problems? So also, they said me that they are finding it very difficult even to commute from their home to the office, which is just 20 kilometers. So we all know that motorcycle riding will create a lot of health problems if we are not riding them cautiously. So in this video, I will explain you the 5 exercises that will help our motorcycle riding very easier, whether it be long touring or even short distances from your home to the office. You need not go to the gym or anything. You can just go to the rooftop and do these 5 exercises. Let's go to the rooftop, shall we? Exercise number 1, rotations. These exercises will help you to keep your arms and other joints relaxed during a motorcycle ride. So you can rotate each part of your body, each joint for 5 times, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and you can repeat it 2 to 3 times. Watch. You can repeat this exercise 2 to 3 times per joint, and it will be like a warm up for the next exercises as well. Exercise number 2, back stretch. Initially you will find it a bit difficult to do this exercise without bending your knees, but eventually you will nail it. It should be okay. This exercise will help you to keep your back relaxed during a motorcycle ride. You can repeat this exercise for 5 times before riding and your back should feel relaxed. Exercise number 3, stretching for your legs. This exercise will help you to keep your legs and leg muscles relaxed during a ride. You can do this before the ride and even during the ride as well. So you can hold each legs for 5 seconds and you can repeat this for 3 to 4 times during the ride and before the ride or whenever you want. Exercise number 4, core strength. Core strength will help you to maintain a good posture during your motorcycle riding. You do not need a 6-pack abs or something, but these 2 simple exercises will give you a little confidence in your core so that you can ride your motorcycle very comfortably, and it will make a whole lot of difference. Those were the leg raises. Now the plank. So you can do the leg raises for 10 to 15 times according to your stamina, and you can repeat it for 2 to 3 times. And for the plank, you can do it for 10 to 15 seconds, and if you are fit enough, you can continue up to 40 to 50 to 1 minute or even more than that. These 2 exercises will definitely help you to keep your core strong. So the next exercise is called Superman. This is number 5, and this will help you to gain your back the strength to sit on a saddle for long distance or even just for normal commute, but it will keep your back muscles strong. So this exercise will help you to gain your back strength. So if you already suffer from back problems, please do not do this exercise. Please do this exercise as per your physician's advice. No, you don't need that exercise for your regular motorcycle riding. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share for more videos. See you next time. Till then, take care. Till so.